So I wanted to do a quick video of how I apply the ball chain edging to the side of my glass. And this is just a spool of 2.4 millimeter brass ball chain that I get at the hobby store. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. And it's super easy. You just hold it onto your glass and solder it on. And here you'll also see that I'm working with some wavy foil edging. You can find this on my website as well, reneestainglassworks.com. I'll put the link for that in the description below as well. But yeah, this is a really easy way to get a beautiful look to your pieces. It really helps to step up your piece and take it to a whole new level. And I will go ahead and share the link to my Facebook page as well, where if you check that out, I do like shop hangouts once a week where I pick little projects and try to, just demonstrate how I do my stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, please go on over there and follow me there. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and also to this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for your continued support. And I always appreciate a share. If you could share one of my videos, that would be awesome. Thank you all so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day.